Okay, our mommy shark is ready to swim in the ocean. It's time for some magic. Oh, the mommy shark is swimming. Hello kiddos, today we are going to draw the mommy shark.
Wow!
So let's get started. Have you listened to the song of the baby shark? Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark. Mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark. Do you like the song? I like it very much. Now let's color the mommy shark. I am putting the pink color. Now I am putting the cream color. And now I am putting the red color. Okay, our mommy shark is ready to swim in the ocean. It's time for some magic. Oh, the mommy shark is swimming.